Hey guys, today I want to show you another one of the leaf collectors that I've got. This is a very easy to assemble unit made by GreenSweep. It comes in a box slightly disassembled. You need to put these legs on each side, just 2 screws there, and everything else is just with the screw knobs right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this bag is super easy to put together. You just assemble these inside of the middle rod. Makes it very easy to remove. When your bag is full, you just lift it right here and dump the leaves. Putting it back together is very simple. Just put it in there and attach it here and keep collecting the leaves. So let's see how it does. So you can see that rotating rake right there. It's 3 blades, 3 plastic blades that collect the leaves and throw them inside this collector. The height is adjustable right here, how high you want to go. If your grass is a little bit taller, you would put it a little bit higher. If you're just collecting it on a very short grass, or if you're just sweeping like more of a harder surface, you'd put it lower. It really is not that much leaves at this point. The fall is just at its beginning stages. But you can see I have plenty of leaves so far, nothing compared to what's coming. But check that out, it's collecting the leaves. So just a single pass 3 times, making 3 passes, and look how much cleaner it is already. Very happy with this unit right here, and I would recommend it to anyone, especially if you have a bit of a larger yard. This is going to be a huge help.